there's the baby. Grab a note.
One hour later.
Hey guys, looks like we just met another old school Mercedes enthusiast. You know, this is a 1981 W124. This is a pre-facelift model. 91, I'm sorry, yeah, I'm having a long day today. It's still M103 engine, really popular casual engine with a Cagetronic fuel injection. It's really cool. It's actually from Florida. Pretty clean. Really rare, but I like the interior. The interior looks actually amazing. It looks cool, and 179,000 miles looks like. But yeah, so classic. You know, I love the wood trim pieces and everything. It looks really beautiful, pretty much like brand new, you know, still. But yeah, and how long you had this car for? Pretty long, right? 4 years. Yeah, that's awesome. You said you'll stuff, but I do like you know, orange turn signals on these, and just in general, you know, like the 124s really, they actually came right after so basically a 123 chassis, which is that one right there. That one was actually, it's basically considered like E-Class. So then after the 123s, they started making 124s, which happened in like 1985, and then they made these cars up until 1995. And this particular one is a 91, I'm sorry. So yeah, it's still a pre-facelift model, but I do enjoy, you know, the wipers on those headlights and everything else. Looks really beautiful. And just in general, even looking at all these old school stickers for the air conditioner, because that thing has the same sticker actually. If you notice, it has the same R12 sticker right here. That's why you guys, you know, like if you guys are really true enthusiasts, you have to, you know, take care of the, you know, your car the same way like this person does, because this car really looks so nice and clean. Seriously, you know, there's not many around. I mean, there's still around a lot of 124s around, but you know, especially in this shape and with this kind of interior, it's kind of rare. But I do enjoy it and like it, you know, it's beautiful. Spots for the cluster for you guys right there. Yeah, so that's pretty cool though. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I love the original wheels too. Yeah,
thank you.
I love the original wheels, and
good. They're solid. I put tires on them a few years ago, and then I got my other rims, and I took them off because I just got back.
Gotcha. Yeah, but that's so cool. Yeah, I do like everything about it. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, thanks for showing the car. Let me know, guys, if you like this car. Leave your comments down below. You know, it's a pretty clean example of a 124.
A few moments later.
Anyways, I'm gonna let you go. I know you're in a rush. Take care, okay? It was good meeting you. Yeah, you take care. Oh, no worries. You're good. Yeah. Yeah, take care. Yeah. Good meeting you. Take care. Yeah, thank you. Beautiful car, guys. 124. Let's see final videos of it. Sweet car. Yeah guys, so that was Alex, and that's another old school Mercedes enthusiast that I met today. And also don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and thank you so much for watching, and thanks for saving old school Mercedes. I'll see you in the next one.